In this video, I'll be showing you how to use VPN on iPhone. It's a step-by-step method, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. What you have to go ahead and do is go over to whichever VPN application you have, because it might be very different on whatever you have. So let's just go over, I'm going to type in VPN right here. As you can see, I have 3 different VPNs. So I'm just going to go to this one at the very top. And basically, I can just, tap the button to connect it. And then right now it's going to be connecting, and it's just going to be connecting to the fastest server right now. But let's say I want to change to another country. Go ahead and click on the fastest server area, and then I'll be able to choose a bunch of different countries right here. There's so many different ones, or I can just go to location, and there's going to be a few different ones here. So for example, if I wanted to switch it over to Germany, let's say, it would switch to that, and then you'll be good to go. It's as simple as that. There's nothing else really to it. And the cool thing is, within a country, you can do different protocols or try different lines as well. There's also the best ones for video games or anything like that. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.